Hello scholars, welcome back to our next video of chapter 7 fraction. In our previous video, we have learned that what is a fraction called and the fraction of a reason. Now in this video, we will learn about the fraction of a collection and finding a fraction. So let's start. Fraction of a collection. Fraction also refers to a part of a whole collection or group. Look at the three children watching TV. What fraction of the children are boys? Here, 2 out of 3 children are boys. So, we can say 2/3 of children are boys. And how we will write this in numbers? 2/3 are boys. In the same manner, there are 4 mugs in all. 1 mug is green and the rest are red. So, we can say 1/4 of the mugs is green. And if I'll ask about the red mug, so you will say that 3/4 of the mugs are red. So, this is called fraction of a collection. In fraction of a collection, we have number of a particular thing. Now, we will understand this by doing some questions. Let's do exercise 7b. Color to show the fraction. Here it is 4 tomatoes and we have to color 3 of them with red. Let's do. See this is color. I have colored 3 tomatoes with red out of 4. Next one, 1/3 means out of these 3 brinjals, we have to color 1 of them. Let's do. So scholars, can you see? I have colored 1 brinjal out of these 3 with purple. The same way you will do the rest. Now we'll see our next question. Write 2 fractions for each. One has been done for you. This we have already learned to write in our previous video. So let's do it here. These are how many tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 tiles. So how many tiles are of pink color? 3. So for that we will write 3/5 is pink. Okay, and how many are white? 2. So for that we will write 2/5 is not pink. The same way in question number B, how many tiles are there? 6. And how many are of blue color? 3. So our fraction will be 3/6 is blue. Now, how many tiles are of white color? It's again 3. So our fraction will be 3/6 is not blue. Okay. Now the last one you will do yourself. Let's see number 3. First color the Indian flag and then answer the following questions. So scholars, can you see? I have colored our Indian flag. Now we'll answer the questions here. What fraction of the Indian flag is white? It is 1. So our fraction will be, it is 1/3. And what portion is orange? Again, it is 1/3. And what portion is green? Again, it is 1/3. Okay. Now, the question is what fraction of the Indian flag is white and green? Means, if we will sum up the portion of white and green, so how many portion is colored? This is 2 portion. So our fraction will be 2/3 is white and green. Now again the question is white and orange. So again 2/3 is white and orange because it is 2 portion. Then again green and orange. So for this also our fraction will be 2/3. Okay. Now here is one question for you as your homework. Make a list of 5 fractions that you may come across in everyday life. For example, half teaspoon of medicine or 3/4 of a pizza. So like this you have to write any 5 fraction. Okay? Now we will learn about numerator and denominator of a fraction. As we already know how to write a fraction, now we will learn about the terms of a fraction. Fraction name part of a reason or part of a collection. Now, what is numerator? Parts being referred to is our numerator and parts in all is our denominator. Just understand this with this example. Here we can see that there are 8 portions of this rectangular. 3 portions are colored. So what will be the numerator? 3. 3 shaded parts are there. So 3 is our numerator. And what will come down? That is total number of parts. That is 8. And 8 is called denominator. So the upper one is called numerator and the down one is called denominator. Got it? Here just understand this in a part of a collection. Here there are 7 tiles. Out of these 4 are colored. Okay? Now for our colored portion, what will be the fraction? 4/7. Now 4 is the shaded rectangles and 7 is rectangles in all. Got it? Now, so 4 is our numerator and 7 is our denominator. Now, let's understand this by doing some exercises. So here is our exercise 7C. Complete the table based on the figures below. See, for the first one A, the question is number of shaded parts, that is numerator is. So how many portion in question number A is colored? 1. So it is written here 1. Now the next question is number of parts in all, that is denominator. So what is our denominator? There are total 6 parts. So 6 is our denominator. So okay. Now the next question is fraction of shaded parts. What will be the fraction for the shaded part? Yes, 1/6. So we will write here 1/6. Okay, now we'll do number B. Number of shaded parts. So as we can see, how many portion is shaded? 3. So write here 3. Okay, now the next is number of parts in all. How many parts in all are there? Yes, 7. Now, what will be the fraction of the shaded part? It is 3/7. Got it? So like this, you will do for the rest. Now scholars, we will learn finding fractions. Our first one is to find half. Now here we will learn how to find half of any collection. Sheila has 8 cushions. She wants to put half of them on the sofa. How many should she put on the sofa? So as we can see here, she has 8 cushions and she wants to put half of the cushions on the sofa. So to put the collection in 2 equal parts, we need to divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So Sheila has to put one part, that is 4 cushions on her sofa. It means wherever we need to find half, we need to divide that number by 2. Now we'll learn to find 1/3. 1/3 is one part of 3 equal parts. To put a collection in 3 equal parts, divide it by 3. To find 1/3, keep one part like this. Here there are 9 spoons. And if we want to know 1/3 of these 9 spoons, we need to divide 9 by 3. So when we will divide 9 by 3, what will be what we will get? Yes, 3. Okay, so 1/3 of 9 is 3. Clear? Now, the next is to find 1/4. 1/4 is 1 part of 4 equal parts. This you know. So to put a collection in 4 equal parts, we need to divide it by 4. Like, see here, there are 8 cupcakes. We need to find out 1/4 of these 8 cupcakes. So what we will do? We will divide 8 by 4. And what will be the answer? 2. So 1/4 of 8 is 2. Now we'll practice this with some questions. So here is our exercise number 7D. Let's do question number 1. Color 1/2. 1 has been done for you. So as we can see here, there are 10 ducks. If we will divide 10 by 2, we will get our answer 5. So 5 ducks are colored with yellow. Okay, in the same way, how many chicks are there? There are 14 chicks. And half of the 14 chicks will be, that is 14 should be divided by 2 and our answer will be 7. So half of 14 is 7. So we will color 7 chicks. Okay. Now let's see number 2. Color 1/3. 1 has been done for you. Here we have to find out 1/3 of these and then color it. So the first one is done for us. Just see here, there are 6 turtles. So 1/3 of 6 is 2. So that's why 2 turtles are colored. Now in question number B, how many elephants are there? Yes, these are 12 elephants. So here, if we need to find out 1/3 of 12, we need to divide 12 by 3 and our answer will be 4. So we will color 4 elephants. Okay. Now we'll do question number 3. Color 1/4. 1 has been done for you. Now here we will find out 1/4 of these collections. So as we can see in our first collection there are 20 stars, and to find out 1/4 of these 20 stars we will divide 20 by 4 and what we will get? 5. So that's why 5 stars are colored here. Now in question number B, there are 12 fish. So here we need to find out 1/4 of these 12 fish. So to find out 1/4 of 12, we will divide it by 4 and we will get our answer 3. So we will color here 3 fishes. Okay. Now see some more question on the next page. Just now, as we have learned to find out half, 1/3 and 1/4 of a number of collections, we need to solve these questions. Like our first one is 1/4 of 36. So what we have to do? So here we need to divide 36 by 4, and when we will divide 36 by 4, we will get our answer 9. Yes, because 4 nines are 36. So here we will write 9. Just see one more, 1/3 of 18. So here we need to divide 18 by 3, and when we will divide, we will get our answer 3 6 are 18, like this. Okay, so here our answer will be 6. So you have to solve the rest of the questions. Okay, now come to question number 5. Here use the pictures to solve. Prices are given for 1 kg. As we can see here, the prices of apples, grapes, chikus and mangoes are given for 1 kg. 2 children went to purchase different quantities of these items. So we need to find out their prices. So let's start. Half kg apples. So if the price of 1 kg of apple is 26, what will be the price for half kg? So we will divide 26 by 2. And what we will get? So our answer is 13. As you can see, it is already written here. Now see the next. 1/4 kg of chikus. As we can see, the price of chiku is 32 and we need to find out 1/4 of it. So what we will do? Yes, we will divide this 32 by 4. So when we will divide 32 by 4, we will get our answer 8. So what we will write here? 8. Okay, now he has purchased 1 kg mangoes. So what is the price of mangoes? 40. Here we don't need to find out fraction because it is 1 kg. Okay, now he wants to know that how much he has spent. So what we have to do? Yes, now we need to add all these. Let's do. So when we will add all this, we will find our answer 61. He has spent 61. Okay, now scholars, for the girl, you need to find out all these prices. Okay, good. Now we'll see our next question. Question number 6a is, Malasha ate 1/4 of the toffees. How many did she eat? Here, as we can see, we have 8 toffees. We need to find out that how many she ate. To find out this, what we have to do? We will divide these 8 toffees by 4. So, we need to do it like this. 1/4 of 8 will be 2. Okay. Now, see the next question. Nasir read 1/2 of this book. How many books did he read? So as we can see here, it is 4 books. Okay. So, half of the book he has read. So, how many books he has read? Yes, 2 books. Now, let's see number C. Ajay bought 5 cans of paints and used 3 cans. What fraction of the paint did he use? So, he used 3 out of 5. So, our fraction will be 3 by 5. Clear, scholars? So, scholars, like this, we have completed our chapter 7, that is fractions. So, now we will meet in our next video with a new chapter. Goodbye, scholars.